Here's what I'm going to use. I ground this myself. This is a pork butt, and I just ground it up with my grinder and make my own sausage. There's no seasoning or anything, or no preservatives or anything with that, and it's better for you. A couple mushrooms, some bok choy. I like to use that upper leaf for the lettuce. 3 eggs, part of that onion, peppers from my garden, some garlic, some spray olive oil, tomato, and some black pepper. Let's get to cooking, shall we? They call this a ceramic coating. I call it a non-stick coating. I don't know why they couldn't just make it like my electric skillet. Stainless steel, all stainless steel. Works just great. I think an all stainless steel would work just great in this too. First thing I do is take a little of this spray oil and I just spray it in there, and just enough to. It's a non-stick surface, but I do it anyway. Just makes me happy. I'm going to use a whole pound of that pork sausage. Just make it easy. I'll have leftovers for tomorrow or the next day. Very simple to operate. It already set up for 25 minutes and it's set up on power level 3, but I would like to do it slower, so I'm going to change the power level to 1. I think that's the bottom burner is going to be on. Power level 1, 25 minutes, and you push the start. And it's all got a rapid view, a rapid crisp viewer right there, and you can look in there and see it at any time you want. And about halfway through, I'll stir this. While the sausage is cooking, it'll give me time to chop this up. Looking good. Well, you can see it's too early in the morning for me to be doing any chopping. I use the food processor and that works out just right. Yeah, just put a dash of this cream in there. I don't know, 1/4 cup. And then I add some black pepper. Do that and then I'll stir it up. Whip it good. If you hit the power button, it goes into pause, and that's really what you should do, instead of just, if you pop it open, it shuts off also. So either way. Man, that smells good. Looks good too. Yeah, I'm going to give it just a little bit longer. We've gone 12 minutes. Give a couple more minutes. I've grated the cheese. This is the Flamin' Jack, and this is the Parmesan, aged Parmesan. This is my tomato sliced and my bok choy greens. We're ready to add the egg now. I could eat that just like that. Looks so good. Smells so good. A couple more minutes. You're going to hear me say it. Look at the goodness. So now I'm going to show you 3 different ways of serving this. And there's multiple ways. But this one back here is going to be what I call open face. It's just like a pizza. You just spread that out on there. This one is going to be a wrap or a taco, a breakfast wrap. This one is going to be like a burrito, a breakfast burrito. I'm not going to eat all this in one sitting. No, I'm planning for the next day or two. Yes. Now, got to add the tomatoes. And some bok choy. And top it off, got to make it complete with a little Texas Pete. Good stuff. That is ready to go. This is my folded over wrap or taco. Gotta melt the cheese in there. Look at the goodness. This is my burrito. Look at the goodness. Now, the decision, which one to have for today. The juice of a half a lemon in my iced tea. There's no sweetener in there. Well, I can't decide. So, you know what? just for you guys, I'm going to have a little bit of each one for today. But I'll end up eating the whole pizza. I think that, and then I'll have the others for tomorrow or the next day. That's my burrito. Mm. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, 3 different ways to serve it, and all the same ingredients. I guess you missed that. I thought I was recording, I wasn't. That's my nuss muck. Got that from Crawdaddy Forge. I couldn't pick this up with one hand, so I just cut off a piece. Picked it up. That is so good. The cheese is melted in there. Look at the goodness. Oh. I learned a lot of these techniques from Booger. I've been watching her for years. I'll put her link down below. She's the one that turned me on to that air fryer. Oh, Delonghi. She's got a link. Follow that link that she's got on her channel, and you can get it right from Amazon. Check it out. Well, that's Duke. That's a Wild West dog, and he approves. Don't you? You like that?